Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Poco X3 GT. Okay, for that we will need the settings for. So just go here on the second page and basically you should find the settings here at the very first point. May you have put it on another position if you have organized your phone and so on, but by default it is here at this place. Okay, just tap on the settings and here we will need the first point about phone. And now we need the MIUI version number. And we have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. Below you can see a countdown. And then at the end, you are a developer for the phone. Okay, just go back one step. And so that you are back in the general settings. And now we need to scroll down to the point additional settings. So, and here we have now at the end the developer options. So now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, may to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or may other stuff you need. And if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here directly on the top if you want. So then they will disappear. They're still here, but if I come back now, they are disappeared. No more there. But if you want to have them back, you can always do the first steps I've shown you in that video by just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, and you will have them back. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thought. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I have created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe it's next time. Ciao.